Hi everyone, welcome to my channel PM Junction. I am Naveed. Today I am going to discuss my strategy which I followed to prepare for PMP exam and cleared in first attempt. I am also going to discuss what to expect during online proctor exam and how to prepare about it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get most relevant videos whenever I upload it. Let us start with the approach which I used. The first step is complete the PMP exam prep course and obtain the 35 PDUs. I did it through Udemy. After getting 35 PDUs, you can submit your application for approval. The next step is read the textbook first. My recommendation is Rita. After completing this book, you will be able to understand 5 process groups, 10 knowledge areas, and 49 processes correctly. The third step is read the PMPOK, but do it after reading the textbook only. The fourth step is complete your application and got the approval. Normally it takes 5 to 6 days to get the application approved. Once application is approved, it is valid for 1 year. The next step is do lot of practice questions after reading textbook and PMPOK. In Rita, after every chapter you will find practice questions along with explanations. This will help you to clear your concept and process understanding in a much better way. The next step is try to correlate the learning with practical examples. In exam, you will find most of the questions are situation based. So do not try to memorize the input, ITTOs or output, but try to understand the process and how you can apply to practical examples. The next step is do mock test and review the answers. My advice is do not take too much mock test, but focus on review and analysis of your answers and try to find out the gap areas and improve those. The next step is brain dump EVM, other formulas and process chart. Do it every alternate day and try to complete in 5 to 10 minutes so that you can recall the same on your exam day. And the last step is schedule your exam in advance. My advice is take a morning session because you will feel fresh while giving your exam. I hope with these steps you may be able to clear your PMP exam in 2 to 3 months time. The next important question is what to expect on online proctored exam. Let us go through some important points and remember those. The first important point is download and run PV Proctor software to check the system requirement one day before the exam. Link for the same is provided in the description box. The next important thing is do not study too much day before the exam. Relax, take proper rest and a sound sleep is a must. On exam day, your login link will be activated 30 minutes before the scheduled exam time, so be on time. And choose a comfortable and silent place for your exam as you are going to sit for 4.5 hours continuously. Once your login is completed, you need to run the system check once again using the PV Proctor software. To capture your ID and your exam space, mobile was allowed. A login code will be provided. And once all this is done, a greeter will call you to see this exam space through webcam. So keep your space clean. Once all the steps is completed, you need to wait 10 to 15 minutes till the launch of your exam, but you cannot move. Once the exam is launched, you will get a 10-minute break after completing 90 to 95 questions. But remember to review these questions before taking a break, as you will not be able to review after the break. I hope you like my video and it is useful. Best of luck. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.